In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up webinar in Getresponse. By the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule your event, collect registrations, and send out a polished invitation email to your audience. Let's start from the very beginning with scheduling your webinar. Once you're logged into your Getresponse account, head over to the main menu and look for the option called Tools. From there, click on Webinars. This is where all of your live sessions will be managed. On that page, select Create Webinar. This opens up the main setup screen for your event. The first thing you'll do here is enter your webinar title. This is important because it's what your attendees will see on registration pages and in reminder emails, so make it clear and compelling. Next, set the date, time, and duration. Take a moment to think about your audience's time zone and availability, and choose a time that works best for most people. The duration doesn't have to be exact to the minute, but give a realistic estimate so attendees know how long to plan for. You'll also see an option to add a password. This is completely optional, but it's useful if you want your session to be private or limited to specific people, like clients or members of a paid program. If you do use a password, remember to include it in your confirmation emails so no one gets locked out. Once your event basics are set, scroll down to the section called Registration and Subscription Settings. Here, toggle the registration option to On. Turning this on means people will be able to sign up for your webinar rather than just receiving a direct access link. This is a key step if you want to grow your email list and keep track of who attended. Next, choose the email list where you want all new registrants to be saved. It's a good idea to dedicate a specific list or segment just for this webinar so you can easily follow up later with a replay, feedback survey, or special offer. You'll also have the option to select a thank you page or even a file for people to download after they sign up. This could be a simple confirmation page or a bonus resource related to your topic. It's a great way to give value right away and reassure people that their registration worked. When you're happy with those settings, click Save this step to lock everything in. Now it's time to design your invitation email. Back on the webinar setup screen, find and click Create an Invitation. This will open the email editor where you can build the message that goes out to your current subscribers, inviting them to register. Start by picking one of the webinar templates provided. These templates are already structured for event promotions, so they usually include space for your title, date, time, and a prominent call to action button that links to your registration page. Customize the content to match your voice and your topic. Make sure you clearly explain what the webinar is about, who it's for, and what people will learn or achieve by attending. Keep your subject line simple and benefit-focused so more people open and read the email. Once your design and wording are ready, click Next. At this point, you can decide whether to send the invitation immediately or schedule it for later. Sending immediately is useful if you want to get registrations right away, but scheduling can help you time your promotion strategically, for example, a few days before the event, with reminders closer to the date. After you've chosen your sending option and confirmed your settings, your invitation is ready to go. Your webinar is now scheduled, registration is configured, and your audience has a clear, professional invitation that leads them straight into your event.